Hi everyone, welcome back. Long time no see. I hope you guys have been relatively safe, maintaining social distancing, and wearing masks. For today's video, I'm going to give you my first impressions on this Holbein Acrla Gouache primary set that I got some time ago. The set contains 13 tubes of paint, 12 being 12 ml tubes, and an extra 20 ml tube that is titanium white. I got the set from Artillery Philippines, which is an online art store, for 3,100 pesos. Basically, this is a student set which contains everything you need to start painting and to learn about color mixing, which is why this contains cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. Basically, CMYK. The other colors included in the set are burnt sienna, violet, ultramarine blue, viridian, light green, deep yellow, and carmine. Here's a close-up of the tube, and as you can see, it tells how light fast the color is. This set also contains 3 brushes. I'm just not sure if this is synthetic or gold sable. This is the flat brush, which is good for laying down big areas of color. This is the big round brush, which actually holds a lot of water. And lastly, the detail brush for, well, details. My favorite part of this set has to be this towel that's also included, which is super convenient. And it also comes with a mixing palette, which is also the cover of the kit. Now I'm going to be swatching these on some watercolor paper just to see the color more accurately. I'm pretty excited to try these out. I've never used acrylic gouache before, but I follow a lot of artists who do, and I love how vibrant their work turns out when they say they use it. I'm using the flat brush that comes with the kit with a bit of water, and the consistency of the paint is really smooth. The colors are also super bright and rich, which is awesome. Like seriously, look at that yellow and that light green. That is super bright.
Why does it hurt so bad? So bad.
So now I'm going to be painting this demon girl sketch I made. I just used a regular Faber Castell red violet colored pencil since graphite might muddy the paint.
Will you come back? Will you come back? Deja vu strings me along. I put you in a
I'm
music
using
box,
the
try to
paints
move
like
on.
I would gouache,
You're still playing
using
hard
thin
strings, and
watered
I'm
down
still
layers first
singing your
and
song.
then building them up. Since the acrylic aspect of this paint
Deja vu
means it
strings
will be
me
permanent once
along.
dry,
Put
I don't
you
have to
in a
worry about
music box,
disturbing the
try to
layers
move on.
underneath.
You're still playing heartstrings, and I'm still singing your song. Imagination wild like a child.
I'm really enjoying the brushes so far.
Riding
They
high like a
definitely don't feel cheap. They
right
hold a lot of
now.
water and they retain their shape really well.
Are you a memory, lucid dream? Pinch me. Will you come back? Will you come back? Deja vu strings me along. I put you in a music box, tried to move on. You're still playing heartstrings, and I'm still singing your song. Deja vu strings me along. Put you in a music box, tried to move on. You're still
This is
playing
where
heartstrings, and
things
I'm
kind of
still
go
singing your song.
downhill. I was planning on painting the top a pastel yellow,
Lost in a
but I kind of
mindset.
went into like
Music
autopilot
got me
mode
in love with
and
myself.
only noticed that it was green
Music
when it
got
was
me
already
in
on the
my
paper. Like, I don't know what happened. I really hated how the green looks, but I didn't want to waste the paint I already mixed, so I just went with the green.
Deja vu strings me along. I put you in a music box, tried to move on. You're still playing heartstrings, and I'm still singing your song. Deja vu strings me along. Put you in a music box, tried to move on. You're still playing heartstrings, and I'm still singing your song. I'm still singing your song. I'm still singing your song. There is a golden picture frame hanging upon an empty wall, haunting the hollow of my brain, painting pictures while we run underneath the dying light. My braided hair comes all undone, chasing the sun into the night. Beautiful and burning, we are wild and wonderful, full of wonder. We are wild and wonderful, full of wonder. You see me through the filtered lens, fading the edges of my flaws, reminder of my innocence before it got lost so deep in the forest of our youth. We carved our names upon a tree inside a heart that spoke the truth. I still
I'm now using some regular Faber Castell pencils to add more shading and details. I will also be using a white Posca marker to add highlights.
Why does it hurt so bad? So bad. To lose something I never had. Never had. Are you a memory, lucid dream? Pinch me. Will you come back? Will you come back? Deja vu strings me along. I put you in a music box, tried to move on. You're still playing heartstrings, and I'm still singing your song. Deja vu strings me along.
So my initial verdict on the Holbein Primary School set, it's pretty good. It is worth the price, especially if this is your first acrylic gouache set. The set pretty much has everything you need to start painting. The paints were bright and rich in color, and the brushes were really good as well. I also really appreciate the extra big tube of white they included. I'm pretty happy with the set, but I definitely need to practice more with it. I think this would also make a great gift for an artist friend since it is a complete set. However, if you're planning to use these for like commissions or professional work, I think they can be used for that, but not all of the colors because some of these colors are not light fast, so I'm not sure how archival they would be. So if you're going to use this for commissions, just make sure that the colors you're using are the light fast ones.
I think I remember your skin on mine. I think I remember your laugh with mine. I think I remember that you were mine. I'm not sure. We were short, it's been long. Deja vu strings me along. I put you in a music box, tried to move on. You're still playing heartstrings, and I'm still singing your song.
So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Give a like or subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, I would really appreciate it. So wear a mask, stay safe, and stay peachy. Thank you for watching. Bye.
I'm still singing your song. I'm still singing.